In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Microsoft OneNote Backup. This walkthrough is for the full desktop version of OneNote, either OneNote 2016 or OneNote for Microsoft 365, and assumes you previously used the desktop app's built-in backup feature. If you're on the web or mobile app, or relying only on Cloud Sync, the exact options you'll see will be different. Here, we're focusing on pulling content from those local backup files the desktop app created for you. Start by opening the OneNote desktop app. Go to the File tab, then choose Info. On the right side, click Open Backups. OneNote will show you a list of backup folders and files it has on your computer. You'll typically see folders by notebook, and inside them, section files with date and timestamps. Those timestamps help you pick the version you want, especially if you're restoring something that changed recently. Browse to the notebook or section you want to bring back. When you've found the right backup, double-click the section file to open it. OneNote doesn't merge it right away. Instead, it places that backed-up section in a separate area called Open Sections. This is helpful because it keeps your current notebook intact while you decide exactly what to restore. From here, you have two paths. If you want to restore an entire section, right-click the Section tab in the backed-up content and choose Move or Copy. Select the notebook and location where you want it to go. To preserve the backup file exactly as it is, choose Copy rather than Move. Copy creates a duplicate in your live notebook and leaves the backup untouched, which is safer if you need to reference it again. If you only need certain pages, open the backed up section, right-click the individual page or pages you want, and choose Move or Copy. Again, pick the destination notebook and section, and use Copy to keep the backup intact. This selective approach is great when you just need a few missing notes without replacing a whole section. Once you've brought everything you need into your main notebook, you can close the backed up section to keep your workspace clean. Just right-click its tab and select Close. Take a moment to confirm your pages and sections are in the right place, and then continue working as usual. That's it. By opening backups, reviewing content in the Open Sections area, and using Copy to place items back where they belong, you can safely restore sections or individual pages without risking your original backup.